Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. In the mundane tasks of our daily lives, there's a humble hero often overlooked: the staple. From holding together crucial documents to securing construction materials, staples play an indispensable role. But have you ever wondered about their origins and the fascinating journey of their manufacturing process? Join us today as we delve into the history and evolution of staples, exploring how they went from simple binding tools to the essential fasteners we rely on today. Our story begins in ancient civilizations, where the need to bind documents and materials sparked the birth of primitive staples. Long before the invention of the modern staple, ancient civilizations devised various methods to fasten their documents. In Egypt, scribes used thin metal wires to stitch together papyrus scrolls, while in China, bamboo sticks were crafted into simple binding clips. The concept of staples continued to evolve over centuries, with innovations occurring across different cultures. However, it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that staples as we know them today began to take shape. With the advent of mass production techniques during the Industrial Revolution, the manufacturing process of staples underwent a significant transformation. Machines capable of mass-producing metal wire allowed for the efficient production of standardized staples. Fast forward to the present day, and the staple has become an integral part of our daily lives, found in offices, schools, and construction sites around the world. But how are these ubiquitous fasteners actually made? Let's take a closer look at the modern manufacturing process. The modern staple manufacturing process typically begins with the selection of high-quality steel wire. This wire is then fed into a series of machines that cut, bend, and shape it into the familiar U or V-shaped staples. Once shaped, the staples undergo a process known as galvanization, where they are coated with a thin layer of zinc to enhance their durability and corrosion resistance. Stringent quality control measures ensure that only staples meeting precise specifications make it to the market. Any defective or substandard staples are promptly identified and discarded. As we conclude our journey through the history and manufacturing process of staples, it's clear that these seemingly simple fasteners hold a wealth of stories and innovations within them. From the ancient civilizations of Egypt and China, where rudimentary methods of binding were first devised, to the Industrial Revolution, which paved the way for mass production techniques, the evolution of staples is a testament to human creativity and adaptability. Today, as we navigate the complexities of modern life, staples remain a constant presence, quietly holding together the fabric of our societies. Whether it's in the bustling offices where important documents are collated, the construction sites where structures are erected, or the classrooms where knowledge is imparted, staples play an indispensable role in our daily routines. The journey of staples is not just a story of innovation and progress. It's a reminder of the intricate web of history and technology that shapes our world. Behind every staple lies a legacy of craftsmanship, precision engineering, and meticulous quality control. So, the next time you reach for a stapler or encounter a neatly bound document, take a moment to appreciate the humble staple and the remarkable journey it has undertaken. And remember, in the grand tapestry of human history, even the smallest of objects can weave a fascinating tale. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating insights into the wonders of our world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.